Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So continuing with the Bali vlog 2025, this day the first spot which we were going to cover was the Ketut Lear Spirit House. So I had shown my mom the movie named Eat, Pray and Love while coming back from Hong Kong in the flight, and after that my mom was very fascinated and she said that we will go to Bali and we will definitely meet this palm reader. So after that we just decided ki okay, let's do this time while this trip. So we planned to book our session for palm reading with the Ketut Lear Spirit House. So we got the booking like for 300k IDR per person, but if you do the online booking it is much more. It's 350k IDR per person, which is approximately 1600 rupees to 1900 rupees.
Okay, good morning. And your name?
Priyanka. Priyanka.
Your name Praise. Pri. Oh, it's very beautiful.
Thank you.
Priyanka, what you do? What is your artist like Mama too?
I'm not artist. I am a physiotherapist, medical background. Medical
Doctor.
More big boss again. Doctor and
Engineer.
So the palm reading session was done by Ketut Lear's son, and the son himself was like 74 years old. So he was looking quite young. I did not think that, but yeah, he told his age that he was 74 years old. So that was quite shocking. So if you see the surrounding areas, they have preserved a lot many birds and animals, and they ask a little donation for that, but that is not compulsory. It's out of your free will if you want to do, but they do ask about that. So I had taken few videos and beautiful pictures with the owl. As you can see, it was very good. So yeah, and also whenever you come over here at the starting point itself, they make you wear this sarong, and on the top of that they give you this belt. So the costume was also looking very pretty. I was very mesmerized by the colors and the combination of it. And this are a few of the videos because we had explored the area and per se their house area. So actually it's their house wherein they are living, and they're only they take the palm reading sessions. This was in Ubud, and after that we went to the Sanur port and we boarded our ferry. We did on the spot booking and it costed us around like 150k IDR per person. So we took this ferry for Nusa Penida. It takes like 40 minutes from Sanur port to Nusa Penida. In the ferry we sat outside because inside it was too congested and we were feeling seasick. So yeah, after that the first spot which we covered was the Crystal Bay beach, and here snorkeling is very famous because you spot the manta rays, which is kind of famous over here. So as you can see in the video, the beach is that much length only. It's not a big beach, it's very small. So we just spent here 10 minutes or so and we just clicked photos and videos. Then we moved on to the next spot, which was going to be the Broken Beach. But just to tell you that how did we travel in Nusa Penida. So my sister had the contact of last year's driver, so she had connected with them again, and we got this booked for this day for Nusa Penida West Tour, and it costed us around 650k IDR. Last year I traveled all these places by scooty, and this time it was with the car, and it was completely a different experience because in scooty you get to experience that vibe, the air and everything, and car thoda different tha. So yeah, after that we came to the Angel Billabong. This is the second spot which we did, and यहाँ पे हमने खाना भी खा लिया. Little quick bites we had. So we had nasi goreng and we had the chicken nuggets with a juice. So yeah, we wanted to go light and that's the reason we ordered less. Also thoda सा pricey end पे था, so we thought we'll keep it less, and we had to travel, like we had to walk a lot. So yeah, अगर ज़्यादा भी खा लेते तो we would have been sleepy or drowsy. So this is Angel Billabong and this is the Devil's Tear. As you can see, photos and videos are very good. मैं last year की भी videos मेरे link कर दूंगी description में, so you can just watch that as well because उसमें भी मैंने काफी कुछ information दिया था. So you can review both of the videos for your reference. So last year पे ये fencing नहीं था, and people used to go down, they used to sit there to watch this Devil's Tear. But this year they had done the fencing all over Angel Billabong and Broken Beach as well. So if you compare that, you will get to see that fencing was not there. And this is how beautifully it was looking, the Devil's Tear. यहाँ पे in force में the water comes and it splashes off over in the sea. So after that we went to the Broken Beach, and this is how it was looking. So as you can see that you can travel from this side to that side as well completely, and beach में ऐसा broken है इसलिए इसका नाम है है ब्रोकन बीच. It is completely a touristy place. Many people come over here and you know बहुत भीड़ होता है. But as usual we went last year also in 2024 I went in November. This year in 2025 I went in December. So ये थोड़ा you know off shoulder time है for you know tourism. So these are few of the photos from here and it turned out pretty good. And you know same way हमने ये spot से फिर से थोड़ा you know देखा, sunset वगैरह देख रहे थे. And also we saw that there was a statue जिसका मुझे नाम नहीं पता है, but you know we were very fascinated to see this statue कि इसका meaning क्या है या you know, but I don't know exactly what it is about. I was intrigued and मैंने ड्राइवर को पूछा था कि ये क्या है, but they just said कि you know it's like a statue only, nothing specific. We saw the broken beach and we were on the other part of the broken beach, as you can take a whole circle of that you know broken beach of that bridge. यहाँ पे हमने थोड़ा टाइम स्पेंड करके you know फोटोज वगैरह लेके then we went to the Kelingking beach. तो Kelingking beach भी ये सब कुछ वेस्ट में आता है, तो hardly the distance is like 10, 12 or 17 kilometers इसके आसपास है. जैसे हम यहाँ पे गए we saw that it was very cloudy over here and sunset तो दूर दूर तक हमें दिखा ही नहीं. We waited till 6:30. पाली में सनसेट थोड़ा लेट होता है, अराउंड 6:30 50 तक उसके आसपास होता है, बट इट बिकेम कम्प्लीटली क्लाउडी. सो यू नो वी जस्ट स्पेंड टाइम ओवर हियर. एंड जो एंड में यू नो ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड एक ब्रिज दिख रहा था. सो वो कंस्ट्रक्शन मैंने जब मैं लास्ट ईयर गई थी आई न्यू दैट इट वाज गोइंग ऑन, बिकॉज ये जो नीचे जाने के लिए हाइक इज क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट एंड टू मेक इट एक्सेसिबल, टू मेक दिस बीच accessible for all the people, they were going to make a elevator, but that elevator now is not being made because this is a very beautiful gem and they didn't want it to destroy it with the elevator. So that's the reason the government got a criticism and they you know stopped it. So that is how we are ending this vlog. I hope you liked it. Do like, share and subscribe and take care. Bye bye.